Hey, welcome back. We are continuing our tour through Salt Lake City to visit all of our featured chefs and makers for this year's Chocolate Fest. Please meet Landon, the executive chef of Avenues Proper. We go way back. We goat camped together. We took a big, long, fun journey down to southern Utah, and we all got to commune over food then, and we get to recreate it now. So I'm so excited for your dish. It sounds so cool and so exciting, but how did you get from Little Landon to here?
Well, Little Landon grew up in Roy, Utah. I was forced to cook with my mother, and I thought I hated it until I started a real job, and then I hated that more. And so here we are, and I'm a cook.
You kill it. What's your ethos on making food for other people and the kind of feeling you want people to feel, and how would chocolate play into that?
I've always been a chocolate lover since I was this big. First real food was a Rocky Road ice cream from Baskin-Robbins. So chocolate feels pretty natural. Mm-hmm. And I've always really not liked beets, so I'm going to force the two things together in the form of hummus.
I feel like this is going to be the thing that makes beets cool again.
I agree, yeah.
Okay, well, so for those of you who have not heard, you're making a chocolate and beet hummus.
Yes.
With a nib chickpea situation and the infamous proper cracker.
Yes, I can't get away from the cracker. Every time I make them, people lose their minds, and I'm just going to blow everybody's minds today.
You know what? It just must be tough to be so good at a cracker.
It's hard. It's hard work, but I'll do it.
Well, you have something to look forward to if you join us for Chocolate Fest. We are getting together on Thursday, December 2nd. My brain is broken, but we will be there. Please join us. You have a couple days left to sign up. Be there or be hummusless.
Yes.
Thank you
and
so much.
You're welcome.
See you there.